Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pizza. I guess you guys can probably already guess what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to be installing the Wolfbox G900 Tri Pro in preparation for our trip to Easter Jeep Safari. So full disclaimer, Wolfbox did send this out for free, but I do love Wolfbox products. I did run their 2-camera version, the G900, on my last Jeep, and it's definitely a nice tool to have, especially when you're loaded up with a bunch of gear and you can't really see out of the rear view mirror. So definitely excited to be running their 3-camera version on this Jeep. All right, so we've got the kit open. So inside your box, you're gonna get your mirror with your camera attached to the front. This is your dash cam. And then in this box right here, we have the 1080 camera, which will be for the front bumper. This box, we have a 2.5K rear camera, which will go on the rear. And here's all the extension cables to run the wires back. And this will be to connect the actual mirror onto our mirror up there. I did get the Hardwire kit sent to me as well, so I will be hardwiring this to my Jeep. All right, so before I get started on anything, I'm just gonna read the instructions real quick, and then I'm gonna start routing all the wires. Okay, so now that we are started up, it is working fine. I've got it set for parking mode. We're doing a 12-hour time lapse. So then when I exit, turn the vehicle off. Let's say disconnect ACC, time lapse video has begun. Yep, and then I'll just turn the screen off. And there we go. So going over the wires real quick. So essentially I use the F58 fuse right here for our ACC, and that is the seat heaters. And then for our constant battery power, I'm using, which one is this? F102, the dual USB port in the center console, I believe. And then for the wires, I just ran them through this underneath here. And then through this little gap right here, up the A-pillars, across the top, and then it comes out right there. I will be getting some wire sleeves to clean that up a little bit for wiring the cameras. I ran it through right down in here. There's a grommet that goes in the firewall. Ran it through here underneath, through this area, and then you can see it right over here. For the rear, I just ran it straight down. So we've got the wires running underneath the Jeep, coming all the way to right here in the bed. Let's see. You can see the wires right there. It comes up, and then there's a hole in the bed. So back here is where the rear bed rail mounted to. I no longer have that, so there's just this hole here. And then I ran it underneath all this. And then I just ran it all the way underneath here, up this channel, and then it's going to go to the rear door. So the rear camera is finally mounted. Got it up pretty high. It clears the door all the way. I did have to drill through the cap to get the wire ran through. Yeah, so I've got some gasket coming in, or like a rubber gasket, but for now I'm just going to tape it. All right, so we've got the cameras running perfectly. We have our front dash cam, our front bumper, and our rear camera. Swiping over, we've got the rear cam, that goes up and down. Oh, just like that. And then we have our front bumper and our dash cam. Swipe one more, and now we have all three. I mostly run it like this because that's my primary use for it. I use it to see out the rear, especially because my rear visibility isn't so great. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see on camera, but yeah, thanks again to Wolfbox for sending this out. I really appreciate it. Can't wait to see you guys in Moab. I know that this video was kind of Jeep specific in terms of how to install it, but thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you like what you see or you want to see more, subscribe, leave a like, do whatever. It's totally free. I do have a new video hopefully coming out in the next few days on the interior build. We are mostly done with it. Can't wait to show you guys, and we have made a lot of progress. So I'll see you guys in the next one. It's Pizza out.